Welcome to another long-eaten video. Brought to you by our social media channel, Shark Bites. In this video, we are going to talk about all things galas and competitions. Okay, let's get started. Galas and competitions are also called meets and events. They are basically all talking about the same thing. Whatever the name, they are types of events where swimmers race each other for their best times. Now, let's start with the swimming pools. When reading about competitions, you might see long course and short course written. This is describing the length of the pool the competitions are held at. Simply put, a long course pool is 50 meters, and a short course is 25 meters. Okay, so now we know long course and short course is the size of the pool. Let's understand a little more about the galas themselves. So, what are galas? They are competitions open to swimmers at different ages and abilities. These events are held under competition rules. There are different levels of galas, from novice competitions to more serious, national events. Okay, so now we know there are short course and long course galas. And they are competitions at different levels with different rules. But what are these levels and rules, and what do they mean? Let's look at the rules first. Well, some events are what are known as licensed. Swim England have a record of all swimmers. If it is a licensed event, the swimming times for that event will be recorded. You can see those records for yourself under your Swim England registration number. Then, we have events that might be unlicensed events. If events are unlicensed, times will not be recorded with Swim England for that event. But don't worry, your times are still recorded, they are held within the club. Now, more about these rules, because they are important. They help decide the gala levels. And there are 4 levels in total. Let's look at these levels in a bit more detail. Level 4 is a licensed, entry-level event or competition. These are usually younger-aged events, aimed at inexperienced swimmers. They also are nearly always short course. That's level 4. Let's look at level 3. Level 3 events are always licensed. They can be long course or short course. These level events will have qualifying times, and the technical rules are more strict. Right, now level 2 and 1 events, which are licensed. Level 2 meets are always short course, 25 meters only, and level 1 are always long course, 50-meter competitions. They will always require qualifying times, and they are a very high standard. Not many swimmers reach this level and is a challenge worth aiming for. They are usually county, regional and national championship level events. Okay, we are doing well. Let's have a quick recap. So, we have types of swimming competitions, and these can be called events, galas or meets. And these competitions are either in a short course or long course pool. They have rules, called technical rules. And these rules help decide the level of the event. And we know there are 4 levels aimed at novice swimmers, right the way up to your national swimmers. And some events are licensed or unlicensed. Great, that's the gala structure. Next, let me talk about qualifying times. These are times decided by the organizer of a competition or event. You might see the event organizer say, there is a qualifying time. This will be a time rule you need to meet to enter that race. Sometimes, the event will say there is an upper limit or a lower limit time to enter. An upper limit means you cannot enter if you swim a faster time for that race. And a lower limit just means to enter that race, you should not be slower than the time written. It is important to check qualifying times, as a level 4 meet will be different to a level 3, for example. For all events, regardless of levels, you should always check the entry pack. If in doubt, ask your squad coach, and they will advise you. And finally, the last thing about galas. They can happen all year round, and there are different types of events. Let me explain. The types of events are fairly simple. We have league or cup galas, which are all team events. We have the most common type of event, the open meet. And we have championship events, like the county championships or the British and national championships. Let's quickly look at these types in a bit more detail. The most common type of event is the open meet. As it suggests, this is open to all swimmers. An open meet can be short course or long course, and it could be level 4, level 3, or higher. The chances are there will be qualifying times too, so you should always check the entry pack. The team races such as the Arena League or the Leicester League do not have qualifying times, but they are usually a level 3 meet. So, stricter technical rules. These team events are great fun and a chance to represent your club. And there you have it, all things galas. From open meets to long course or short course pools. Licensed and unlicensed events. The different levels. And the need for qualifying times to enter a race. That's the basics of all things galas. And, finally, it is best to always check the entry requirements, and, if you are not sure, ask the squad coach. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our Long Eaton Media channel, Shark Bites, where you will find more videos like this. Thanks for watching.